Hi, I'm Kathleen again. I'm here in Custy's in Ennis, and I'm going to play a few tunes off my new CD that I just brought out this week. It's called Kathleen, and the tunes are, the first one is a waltz called Sunday's Bell that I wrote a few years ago. I'll go into a couple of reels then. The first one is called Elevated, and I wrote it when I was stuck in a lift last year in Australia. And then I'll finish up with an old reel called The Shepherd's Daughter.
Kathleen, listen, gur míle mágat as ag féin seo agus gnáir go geal le the glúis go nua. Will you tell me one thing? We know your father, he's pretty renowned. Tell us about your mother and the influence she had on your music and your dancing.
My mum is a dancer. She's a set dancer and step dancer, and her parents came from West Clare, from Liscannor and Steinman, and they were dancers, so all her side of the family are set dancers.
What family name?
Murphy. I learned how to dance from them, and brought along to Kaylee's from when I was 5 or 6 with my mum, and I was her partner, so that's how I learned. And I've been dancing all my life. I went to lessons and did all the competitions and step dancing and that, but yeah, she's sort of, the dancing is a massive influence on my playing and vice versa.
Sure.
Yeah.
Lovely rhythm to it, okay.
Thanks.
And listen, what influence, a concertina player that would have influenced you dramatically, or is there any one or a couple?
Concertina player, probably Micheál O'Reilly. Maeve Loughlin was my teacher, and Micheál lives in Meath as well, so he probably influenced me the most concertina wise. I listened to a lot of instruments growing up, accordions and fiddles.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Listen, best of luck, and best of luck out in America too with your tour.
Thanks very much.
All right.